Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by removing risk. Unplug the extension cord and verify no voltage with a tester. Once done, scan the entire length for cuts, burns, or flattened insulation because hidden damage spreads current and heat. Make sure to collect wire strippers, a multimeter, heat shrink tubing, solder or crimp connectors, and a replacement plug. You're beginning the repair now, not later. This ensures you can both diagnose the problem accurately and perform the repair safely without pausing mid-step. Once you've exposed the damaged area, remove only the bad section and retain sufficient length for secure joints. Cutting too much weakens the cord. Strip about 1/2 inch of each conductor, then twist the strands. If soldering, tin the wires briefly for a strong mechanical and electrical bond. If using crimp connectors, choose the correct size and compress fully. Make sure to test continuity and polarity with a multimeter before sealing anything so you know the conductors are correctly joined. You finish by insulating and securing the repair. Slide heat shrink tubing over each joint and apply steady heat until it conforms, adding overlapping layers where strain will occur. Reattach or replace the plug following the correct hot, neutral ground order. The ground must be continuous. Once assembled, test under light load first and monitor for heat or voltage drop. If anything warms or flickers, shut off immediately. If problems persist, replace the cord entirely. Partial fixes can mask internal failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.